Hey everyone! Today we'll open the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 FA608. For full lab tests, display thermals, battery life, visit LaptopMedia.com. The link is below. Let's begin. We unscrew 11 screws and remove the bottom cover. One screw is captive to the cover. It creates a starting gap. We are using a JIS No. 1 screwdriver. This screw won't come out now. We'll remove it last. Only the captive screw remains. It made the pry gap. With a thin plastic pick, release the clips from here in both directions. Keep the tool shallow to avoid touching components. The cover is off. Here is the captive screw still attached. We need to disconnect the battery before continuing work. Here are the primary SSD. And here it is, the second M.2 slot. Over the Wi-Fi card, unfortunately, but you'll find more about this in our deep text review. Here are two memory slots for upgrades. This is the cooling for the GPU and the CPU. Slide the latch to unlock the battery connector. Pull the connector out to isolate power. Remove 4 screws that hold the 90 watt-hour battery, model C41N2303. That's the last battery screw. Lift the battery out of its bay. You can check the result of our battery life test on LaptopMedia.com. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Primary SSD M.2, size 2280, PCI Express 4x4. This aluminum shield must go back on the new drive after installation. This thermal plate spreads heat evenly from the SSD. The second M.2 slot is empty. This slot takes single-sided drives. The Wi-Fi module sits directly under this slot. Peel the metallized sticker above the memory. It acts as an EMI shield. Here is the memory module with thin shielding pads. The platform supports DDR5, 5600 or 5200. A total of 2 SODIMM slots up to 64 GB officially. Reinstall the SSD, tighten the screw and refit the shield. Seat the battery back in place. Push the plug in and slide the latch to lock it. Secure the battery with its 4 screws. That was the inside of the ASUS TUF Gaming A16. In our full review on LaptopMedia.com, you'll see thermals under gaming loads, the display options and color accuracy, and detailed battery life tests. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please subscribe for more teardowns.